starts out fast and slows at the end. I think this bird sounds like it's laughing. It will also give a single squeak note between each series of calls.
I like how he said that was
Like
no
a contagious
changes.
laugh. Once
I
one
think this
moorhen
bird
laughs,
sounds like
it
it's
seems like all
laughing.
the moorhens in the wetland will call.
You know what? There's a calling for me. I can narrate bird calls.
You absolutely could. It's like a turkey.
What was it? What track is it?
Track 7.
Common moorhen.
Oh, it's a moorhen. Oh,
Boat-tailed grackle.
right there.
Males display.
The cat is like pulsating.
Yeah,
Let's
that's
stop and see if he snaps out of it. And if we can get him to go back into it. Oh,
No, his legs
gosh.
are doing it.
Oh gosh, what's going on? Oh jeez. Where am I all of a sudden?
I heard birds.
Oh man.
I heard birds.
Oh my goodness.
I like birds. I think I like birds. I don't know.
Oh, where am I? Oh goodness.
I like birds. I like my mommy.
Oh.
Yes, I do.
Oh, little buddy.
Oh, okay. I need to clean. Oh, what's under there? Mommy says there's nothing under there, but I don't believe her. I tell him that all the time. Every time he comes around the corner, he goes.
Fish crow sounds very different from the familiar American crow. The call of a fish crow is a short, simple, 1 or 2 part American crow. The familiar loud cawing of the American crow needs no description. When large groups of crows gather together, they can be very loud.
What did you know?
Double-crested cormorant. Cormorants are usually quiet, but when gathered in groups at roosting or nesting sites, they often produce a series of